Hi, I'm Roger Fan, a sophomore at NTHU majoring in computer science. My team and I built this app, Foodie, to help people find restaurants that perfectly match their personal and dietary preferences. We integrated technologies like Flutter, Google Maps API, Firebase, Vertex AI, and Gemini to create a seamless experience. Now let's dive into the features. When you first open the app, you will see a clean loading page with our logo. After that, you will land on this beautiful map interface. We have customized its style to be different from the default Google Maps, creating a look that better fits our app's theme. As a new user, you might start by exploring and tapping on different pins. When you are viewing a restaurant, you will find that some features are unavailable yet. Okay, so you need to log in first. You can do that from the account page. You'll also see that browsing history and my reviews require you to log in. We support quick and easy login with Google. Once you are logged in, you can see your profile picture at the top. Since we are already here, let's check our tutorial button here to get a quick overview. The tutorial guides you through the three main interactive elements: the search bar for specific restaurants, the category filter for types of cuisine, and a preference filter for things like price range, rating, and dietary needs. First, if you know the name of a restaurant you want, you can just type it in the search bar. For example, like McDonald's, and boom, here it is. And next, let's try the category filter. We can select a few categories and the map instantly updates to show only those types of restaurants. We can also select all and clear all for convenience. And now for the preference filter, let's say we want a meal that is not too expensive, so like this, and has at least 4 stars rating, and we are also vegetarian. And boom, we can see the result on the map. There are 3 restaurants that match our preferences. If we are specifically craving an Italian restaurant, and you can see this, only this match all of our criteria. Once we tap on the restaurant pin, we can see its name, dietary category, in this case vegetarian, rating, price range, and the navigation button. We can either tap or swipe up to open a restaurant's page for more detail. On the restaurant's page, there are 3 tabs: Info, Menu, and Reviews. In the Info tab, we can see the information card, photos from user reviews, and an AI-generated summary of the restaurant. Below that, you'll find key information like opening hours, phone number, and address. You can tap on the picture to see it in full screen. This summary is special. It's generated by our AI based on both the menu and all the user reviews. So it doesn't just know what the restaurant offers, it also knows what real customers think about it. Here we can try the navigation button to get the directions. Okay, it works perfectly with Google Maps. In the menu tab, you can see the restaurant's menu. We have added this category button to easier to find the dish you want. We'll get back to the menu details in a moment. Let's go to the reviews tab. Here you can see the overall rating and reviews from other users. There are 4 ways to sort them. Default shows the most reactions likes and dislikes first. So like this. And latest shows the most recent reviews first, and highest rating and lowest rating just as they sound, based on the stars. Okay, and we can read other users' reviews and react on them. And we can also tap the picture to see it full screen here. And of course, if it's our own review, we can have the option to edit it, or delete it. And now let's try to write a new review. We'll see 3 sections here: specific review, overall review, and the price rating. Let's try the specific review section. You can choose a dish from the menu by tapping the select menu item here. But if you order a lot of items, selecting them one by one like this, you can add another specific review. Selecting them one by one is really time consuming and can be really slow. That's why we create the scan receipt feature. You can just take a picture of your receipt and our AI model will extract the dishes and automatically fill them in for you. Wait for a second and boom, the dishes are listed. You can still manually add, like this, add or delete the one you don't want to review. We can rate these two. Just review it like this. We can choose a photo to upload it like this. This fruit tea is really great. You can write a review and also upload the picture of it. And now we can submit it right here. And once we submit it, you can see it right here. Your assignment is uploaded like this. What's happening behind the scenes is that whenever a general review is submitted, edited, or deleted, the AI regenerates the restaurant summary. And if you review a specific dish, the AI updates both the dishes, like this, it updated now. And if you review a specific dish, the AI updates both the dishes summary and the overall restaurant summary. We'll carefully design the AI's prompt to be objective. It focuses on facts and ignores personal biases or overly emotional language, ensuring the summaries are accurate and truly helpful. And you'll notice that if it's a review for a specific dish, and it shows the dish name right here. And if it's a general review, it won't show it. And now let's go back to the menu tab, and you can see the items we review now have an AI generated summary right like this, right below the name. That is also with a picture if available, that is too. And if no review for that dish, it won't show it. The dish page having a detailed summary and all the reviews for that specific dish, and just like before, we can sort them in four ways. And now let's go to the AI page here. This is another one of our core features. Here you can ask AI for complex recommendations that go beyond simple filter. For example, you could ask for a restaurant suitable for a date, or a place that has something spicy. These are questions that are difficult to answer with just search bar and filters. We have designed the AI to be conversational. If your request is broad, like recommend me a restaurant like for dinner, it will ask follow-up questions to narrow down the option because it's too broad. But if you give it something more specific, that I want something spicy, it will search the map and recommend a few restaurants that match. It will search the map and recommend a few restaurants that match. You can tap on the restaurant card to jump directly to its pin on the map. It's really convenient. Finally, let's circle back to the account page to check out the browse history and my reviews, which we skipped at the beginning. Here in browsing history, you can see the restaurants you have viewed before and tap to jump right back to their page. Like this, you can just jump it. Okay, and my reviews, you can see all the reviews you have written, and you can tap on the review to go back to the restaurant's review page to edit or delete it. And one last thing, of course, we support dark mode. You can switch it right here. The theme is really great combined, integrated. And we also designed a custom dark mode theme that match just as beautiful and fits our app's aesthetic perfectly. The combination is really stunning. And that's a quick tour of our app. Thank you for watching.